And the question is, why do you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025? My friend, if you click this video, it's because you really want to know the tea. And I'm here to tell you and explain you 3 reasons, 3 points so important that it does not matter if you're a content creator already, or maybe you're a beginner and you have no idea related to a YouTube channel. My name is Carla. I'm a content creator. And in this time of those 5 years, I could say that starting a YouTube channel is just huge. The truth is that at the end of the day, you will change your life. And probably you have heard that before with other content creators or maybe podcasters. And that's the truth. It is true. And I'll tell you why in these 3 points that are so important for you, my friend. And you can let me know in the comment section if that resonates with you, of course. So the first one is pretty much about the personal growth and skill building. Now, when we talk about personal growth, it can be anything. It can be since the moment that you would probably face your fear in front of a camera, just the same way that I'm talking to you right now in that camera, in front of a camera. Behind that camera, there's a person who really wants to know your message. Starting from that point, going also to the level of working in your confidence, everything related in your personal growth, how confident you can be at a topic. Maybe you want to share it in the social media, in media. And I would say that YouTube, it could be one of the best platforms to show your ideas, to show your message, to teach even a lot of people. And we're talking about thousands of people. And all I can say is that is definitely part of the reason that you should start a YouTube channel. Another thing related to it, like I was saying, it's the skill building. Believe it or not, a lot of people, they think, well, I mean, if I have to open or to start a YouTube channel, I'm not the best person to speak in the camera, first of all, or second, maybe I just don't have that much experience on whatever I want to talk about, or whatever is the case. A lot of people, they tend to put so many excuses, starting from me, right? I remember, we're talking about 2021, okay? I was starting everything related with coaching. So I was teaching languages, and the idea of this channel, it was practically to connect with students, and that's what it was. And of course, I had no idea how to teach through a video, but little by little, that skill was working, was building, was growing, and it could take, let's say, maybe 1 year, maybe 3 months. It's up on the person. A lot of people, they think, well, I'm supposed to be an expert. And the answer is no, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be super experienced. What you need, though, it's an idea, and you need a topic, and you need to be comfortable in that topic. That would be the reason number 1 so far. And I'm telling you, my friend, after I opened that channel, I started that channel in 2021, a lot of things changed. My skills, my confidence, even my personality, I would say everything. And I'm sure that can happen with you. The reason number 2, it would be pretty much everything related to monetization opportunities. Maybe you have heard of it, maybe not. That YouTube so far is one of the biggest platforms to reproduce, to monetize, to work in the media and make a lot of money. But not all of the cases could be the same. Everything starts with a niche, the type of industry. Maybe if you're not that related to that word, that's what it is pretty much, according to the niche, according to the industry, according to the creator, according to maybe the amount of subscribers also, which is super important. Okay. There is this program that is called the YouTube Partner Program, that a lot of creators, they get the chance to monetize their channels. That could be for another video, whole topic of another video. If you want to know, let me know in the comment section. But apart from those opportunities of working with sponsorships, that's another reason that you could be part at a YouTube channel. You can create that income. You can actually reproduce that income. And there's a lot of, I would say, influencers, a lot of podcasters, a lot of really experienced content creators that they've been sharing their actual secrets on YouTube. So definitely, I'll make another video about that, okay? But that could be the number two. The number two reason, it's practically everything related to monetization. And this is the part that I actually like it too, because I do remember that by the time I started, it was within a strategy at that point. I was preparing myself and I was checking tons of YouTube channels like you have no idea. And thankfully, I could actually work on that goal, which it was monetized. And it was not specifically because I was getting paid through the AdSense program that they tend to do when you watch the ads, when they put the commercial, the ads at a YouTube channel. Okay, that was not necessarily the income that I was doing, but I was teaching online and I could even get clients from YouTube channel. And in this case, it was related to the US and United States. So that's the reason that I'm saying that yes, that's number two reason that you can actually monetize, and best part of it, you can even control it. So number three pretty much would be, it's gonna help you to develop your creativity. And in case you didn't know, my friend, this channel I just created again. This is my first video ever, okay? If you're an aspiring content creator, you're definitely welcome to this channel. Let's put yourself in creatives mode. My name is Carla, and definitely you're super welcome to this channel. You can go ahead and subscribe, of course, like this video if you feel like, I've never known these reasons. Yes, it makes sense. Maybe it's your first time. You can comment down below and let me know what do you think about starting a YouTube channel in 2025. So like I was saying, the number three, it's everything related with developing your creativity. Now, some of the people, I would say a percentage of people, when they are already content creators in the past, who knows, they never knew that they possess the skill of creativity. And a lot of people, they think, well, I was not born with all the skills. Or some people, they were just so creative by the moment of their childhood. Who knows, right? That could be my case. Some people, they tend to develop the creativity at a certain moment because of a circumstance or a situation, maybe at work, and they started developing. And I could say that the number three reason, it's gonna be completely related to the creativity. If you have no idea about specifically content creation, making those videos, speaking in the camera and everything, yes, you can start a YouTube channel still, because you can learn, and the creativity, it will develop little by little. And I'm telling you, my friend, even the person who's not that related to creativity, they will manage it. They will be able to do it. And I'm telling you, my friend, again, because of experience, okay, I would never thought that my husband was gonna have his own YouTube channel. And now he has his own YouTube channel, which is just a miracle. I'm gonna say it like this. I would never thought that my husband was gonna be speaking in front of a camera with a lot of people in there. And it's been a whole journey. And it's surprising. A lot of people, they think, again, I'm not the type. I doubted that I can make it. I don't think that I have all the package. And sometimes we don't need to have the package. We don't need to possess all the skills because maybe you're the loudest person, or you're super introvert, or you just, you tend to be too critical, or too perfectionist, or too. And there is a lot of excuses sometimes. But again, the number 3 reason, my friend, it's 100%, I would say, confirm, starting from me, that you will develop the creativity that you've never had before. Maybe you were already creative, it's just you never had the chance to develop that potential. And sooner or later, I'm telling you, when you start a YouTube channel, you will understand better the huge potential that you have, my friend. Probably to start editing videos, probably to coach somebody online, just the same way that I'm talking to you. And probably I'm gonna give you like a tutorial, like I'm gonna guide you, and I'm gonna teach you maybe a language, maybe a system, maybe a program, or whatever course that you want to call it, and you can actually do it through a camera. So definitely, I hope this video was useful. My name is Carla. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe on time, because now I'm gonna be much more active, I would say, and I'm gonna post different videos with a lot of tips, of course, and tutorials that probably you had no idea. You're in your 30s, is too much. We're millennials. We're trying to understand the content creation world, and maybe the content creation economy too. So definitely, you're super welcome. Again, I hope to see you in the next one.